knowledge of technology. So now myself and my mentees are going to discuss about design thinking framework. It means how the professional ethics and human values are mapped with the design thinking curriculum as well as design thinking frameworks. So this is Serli and Rakshana and Roshan and Prince and Vikas. So one by one are going to tell about what are the things are going to happen in design thinking with professional ethics. And start with Prince.
I'm going to share about empathize. Empathize means what people thinks about others. In this topic, we going to empathize to what understand people expect professional word like respect, fairness. What people while listening to others understand their problems, we can better decisions what others smart and also ethical and human value. For example, if an employee feels disrespect and unheard, empathy will helps to understand what the problem is going on the employee. So through this empathy, we can build trust, good relationship, and we can strong value to the system and our life career.
Okay, now that we have emphasized, let me tell about the final part. This stage is all about clearly starting with real life problem, not just that we are thinking what it is, but what the user actually facing from the real world problems. So, in the terms of ethic and human values, this step reflects honesty, clarity, and accountability. As professionals, we must define the problem without adding personal and bias like twisting facts and fit out our assumptions and business goals. For example, imagining you are in a team and designing a student feedback system. If the student say they don't feel safe giving a honest feedback, then the ethical thing is acknowledging a deeper level issue. Maybe a lack of anatomy. It is not about low participation. By defining the problem truthfully, we show respect for people involved and take responsibility for creating real solutions. So, in this stage, values like integrity, transparency, and respect must guide how we frame the people and the problem because wrong or shallow definition can lead to unethical solutions or no solution at all.
So here is the ideation part. Ideation is all about brainstorming creative, diverse and practical solutions. But more than just throwing ideas around in the context of professional ethics and human values. How we generate ideas matter just as much what ideas we generate. Ethically sound iteration means creating a safe and respectful space for everyone to contribute. Encouraging diverse voices across gender, age, role and background. So the solution isn't based or one-sided. Avoiding unethical shortcuts or ideas that could harm people even unintentionally. Think about this. Imagine a team is brainstorming ways to reduce customer complaints. One person suggests making it harder for users to contact support. It might lower complaints, but it's clearly unethical. A value-driven team will reject such ideas and instead focus on improving service quality, not silence voices.
Okay, next my part is about prototype. Prototype is nothing but creating sample model which is related to our project. And ethical prototyping includes human uses and test cases, and it involves honesty about lubrication, and it includes the safety and user defined project which is related to real world scenarios. A prototype which is designed by connected with our project, and prototype is used to give a related solution.
The ethical connection is not about following the rules. The ethical connection is to what's the right for the people who uses our product. The user contest always asks for permission or details are collected. We have to inform the users. So also the feedback matters. We listen to the real users to gather the informations and make it more fair and useful. The contribution improvement keeps testing, learning, and goes with the user needs and ethical standards. No matter what, design thinking is not just about a creative process. it also a responsible one. Each stage from understanding the things we have to work on each stage.
So okay. So this is all about our design thinking framework with professional ethics and criminology.